In this video we are going to discuss our July lead coding problem of the day first. Okay, and our problem is 3 consecutive odds. So basically we have been given an integer array and we have to return true if there are 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array, otherwise we have to return false. This question is a very simple question as it's the first day of our problem of the day. So now let's try to understand the logic. Basically we have been given an array and we have been given numbers like this. Okay, and we have to return true if we are having if there exist a 3 consecutive odd numbers in the array. So as we can see in this array there exist a 3 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means numbers coming one after the other. These are the consecutive numbers. And in this array 1 2 wait 1 3 12 15. Okay, so basically this is a odd number, this is also a odd number, and this is also a odd number, but this is not consecutive as they are not coming one after the other. So we will return false here and this is true. Okay, so this was the simple question explanation. So now let's try to discuss how we can solve the problem statement. We will use a simple for loop. Okay, we will use a simple for loop. Will iterate through iterate till length of nums minus 1, length of the array, iterate till length of the array minus 2. Okay, yes, so we will iterate till length of array minus 2. Why we were doing so? If our and we first of all let's see, we will check for our a of I mod 2 equal to 1. Okay, then same for what a of I plus 1, a of I plus 1 mod 2 equals to 1. Okay, then a of I plus 2 mod 2 equals to 1. So these are the 3 consecutive numbers I plus 1 and I plus 2. Okay, so we are checking for the 3 consecutive numbers. So basically in this array of 1 2 3 4 5 6, our why you are doing this length of array minus 2? Let's see here. If our I from iterating, if our I comes here, okay, so basically the length of the array is what? Our length of the array is 6 and 6 minus 2 is what? Basically 4. So the indexing is 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the our length is what? 4 now, and we will iterate. Our last position for iteration will be 3. So basically here will be our I, here will be our I basically. Okay, so now because of this we can check the I plus 1 and I plus 2. Okay, if we have not done length of arr minus 2, our I will be what? Here. Okay, then it cannot go for I plus 2 and I plus 3, which will give out of bound exception. Out of bound exceptions. Okay, so this was the simple explanation of the code. Now discuss the code itself. Okay, first we are running for loop for I in range length of our array -2. Okay, then we are checking for the three consecutive elements, and arr of I plus 1 mod 2 equal to 1, and arr of I plus 2 mod 2 equal to 1. Yes, if it is equal to 1, we will just return true, else we will return false here. So now let's check it one time. Yeah, it's giving correct output. Let's try to submit it. Okay, so the code is being accepted. If you have any of the doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.